Funky D worldwide. Welcome back once again. Today, another update from this day's newspaper. Pipeline explosion rocks Lagos. Okay? The headline already don't tell it all. According to these days, an explosion on Sunday, when be today, can't leave some resident of Abule, Edo area of Lagos State scampering for safety. You know when they use this word, I don't tell my people say this scampering, I they like when I say it. They say they don't, everybody does the run head scatter because of serious explosion in Abule Edo, resident of Lagos State. The cause of the explosion, according to them, which occurred at about 9 a.m. on Sunday, 9 all this thing that happened, they say they never still know. They never still know the reason why the thing explode, the pipeline. They don't know. They say they never ascertain the cause of the explosion. By the time when they file this, when they write this news, they never know what be the cause. But why casualties figure is still unknown. That is, people, whether people wound, people not wound, they never still know the time when they write this thing. The first responder are said to be on their way to the site of explosion. You get it? Earlier report had claimed that the explosion was caused by, pipeline vandals. People when we see then they vandalize pipeline, and them be the people when we see then they claim now say now them be the people when cause them. Now people they go, then they go scope fuel, then they go scope oil, then they go scope kerosene, then they go scope everything when they scope. Now scoping that is scope and then go when they scope and now this go this one, go do this one again. Now the thing explode. According to waiting we hear, the emergency responders, they don't, according to them, they don't already come out of fear. That is the fear that because the explosion not be small thing. We don't see areas where they say the thing burn a lot of houses, raise down a lot of houses, according to the language and the English one that they use. The thing raise down a lot of houses. Now, a family of 6, according to the news, fear death. We don't see all those ones. But when they come there, reacting to the incident, the Lagos State Fire Service, they can't say, then they assure the general, no, now this language assure, no action, no, no remedy, no solution. Then go just there, the assure. President go assure, minister go assure, governors then go assure, chairman of local government go assure, firefighters then go assure, all of them go they assure without no solution. Only mouth now they take assure. No equipment, only mouth. Now this will they take the assure Nigerian people. Even this coronavirus now, when I don't tell them, say, Jubri Abi Buhari himself, with his God, with the APC people, with them was past coronavirus. All of them, they don't assure for the coronavirus too. But they don't get anything in place. So the news don't tell us, say, 150 million Nigerian people, they not get any access to go wash their hand because of this pandemic disease. Because of this serious disease what they call COVID-19. Then say 200, that is 150 million Nigerian people, they not get access to go wash their hand in case of anything. But president don't assure, see, no cause for alarm. If you see that Lagos State governor when they assure, before you assure finish now, one doctor don't come and come debunk them. See now only 100 people. The hospital where they get, or where the one they put them, now only 100 people will go contain. But after the governor don't come assure Lagos State people, see nothing they happen, no cause for alarm, make una not worry. The thing no go even kill all of una. This one now, they don't take the same assurance. They don't assure the general public. See, me they not worry. And they can't talk, say, the pipeline explosion. In fact, they say the explosion not connect to the pipeline, but building on fire in Ado, Suba, Ebule, Ado, Amuwo, Odofin. Now be first stack area. The situation is under control. Now so the nyano. But first, waiting them right here now. First, the headline saying a pipeline. They don't come down now, come the judge and say no a pipeline. No, they don't go tell you the truth. Because everything in Nigeria, they use even human life. They do politics. They not send you a message. Everything is political in that country. And they tell you now, say no a pipeline again. No, say a building when they're on fire. But the headline they tell us in a pipeline. So, speaking on with these days, according to them, however, the chairman, Amoro, is supposed to be Amuwo, but they write here Amoro Odofin. Supposed to be Amuwo Odofin, local government, first stack area, local government, Valentine Barimo. Now in the Nyan say the explosion was not caused by activities of vandals, but by some technical fault within the pipeline. They don't change them again. No. They say not be vandals. Before they say that vandals, now not be vandals. Now some technical fault within the pipeline. Before they tell us say now building. Everything na lie in that country. No go ever get the truth. According to him, when the explosion first started, according to the news, he said we thought that it was a bomb blast because it shocked everywhere. It was later I got informed that it was a pipeline explosion. The explosion must have been as a result of some technical fault along the pipeline. It couldn't have been caused by activities of vandals because there are soldiers mining the pipeline every now and then, the man said. Okay. So, according to them, again, they go and say the casualties, on casualty figure, the chairman confirmed that boarders in an only girl school in Festac area of Lagos State, among others, were affected, adding that those injured have been rushed to hospital. When I get hospital, when they rush, all this in our you, when I not get no single hospital. You go down again, they said a family of 6, including father, mother, and 4 children, have been reportedly killed in raging fire accident at Ebulado community of Lagos State following an early morning explosion. You know, here and now, I shouldn't talk, according to waiting them right, now him with the give the news. And so the matter be. So make we go down to another breaking news about some Nigerian people involved in business as usual in America. And the amount of money when they ladies and gentlemen, when this will carry, when they see them thief now in millions of dollars. So we will go into the news, make we know what thing really happened with these Nigerian people when take over America, take over the kind of business when they take over, and they make a lot of millions of dollars in this business. So we go look into the matter right now. But the issue of the pipeline, these people, when they claim, say, they don't know, then go talk left, then go talk right, then go talk front, then go talk back. And not just understand. And they go say them be experts. Experts. Then, at the end of the day, They no go fit give Nigerian people the truth. You know, it is very bad. It is very bad. Very sad indeed. FBI arrest Nigerians. Orders over $30 million. Atlanta-based scam. U.S. federal agent, according to the news, they said they don't arrest 24 individuals, among them Nigerians, for their involvement in a large-scale fraud and money laundering operation that targeted citizens, corporations, and financial institutes throughout the United States of America. That's what they tell us so. Now, so these people, they tell us, say, some people then go come America. I know they talk, say, business now about thing, no. I know they talk, I'm not here to judge, but I am here to analyze my own. Because sometimes the reason why when then they give Nigerian people bad name, or bad names, any when you want put them, now because of the way where they do our things. That is why you see today, some government of foreign nations, they don't want to see Nigerian people in their country. If you be Nigeria, you do some country, you dey into problem. Not be say you not do anything, no. You not do connect with anything when people they do. You just know say you be innocent person. Even those people, those countries, some countries, they don't want to say you be innocent Nigerian person. But because of the things when other people don't do, then go follow and they take and they judge you. Even though say you be innocent person, they don't want to know. And some Nigerian people, when they hear something like, okay, we don't want this group of kind of people in our country again, they go be so, oh, those government, they are not good. They are very bad people. They are do this, they do that. They are not good to us. No, now because of what your brothers and your sisters don't do for grant before. Now him make those people, then they judge you like that, and now him make that they take you the way when they take you. Just exactly the same way when Donald Trump, they ban Nigerian people as a whole. When the government of, the lazy government of Nigeria, when we see they don't know what thing that they do there. I mean, those people, those top politicians, when we say that they hope they go their own government sponsor channel television, they talk waiting that they talk in channel television, they blame, they talk, say, oh, why can't be say now we Americans see what we do to America, where America they no go continue like that. If Donald Trump come out, another person go enter and then go uplift the ban and this and that. Look, all those analyses are dead on arrival. And some of them see the expect say tomorrow Donald Trump go change his mind. Donald Trump can never ever change his own mind on that ban. That ban remain because Nigeria is a country when we say then they sponsor terrorism. Nigeria is a country when we say then they sponsor terrorism. Look at the way when the Northern Fulani people, they kill innocent Nigerian people. Not be only killing that they kill, though. The thing when ISIS they do in Syria, nothing that they do. Then go kill you, finish. The latest now when we see now, then go chop the person head, come out. Carry and run. Who know whether I get some people whether they go give the head of people whether they cut, come out. How in a heck in this world where they live, this century where we did, when all of us did, people go come out, come they burn other people's home, and we say we get government. Well, these things they happen when we say a Fulani man or Fulani terrorist people, or these people where they call themselves the herdsmen people, then go enter a city where they say then get governor, then get president when they rule a country, then go kill men, finish. Come they chop people head, they come out. At the end of the day, people say when get the dead body, they not even know that people when they know they recognize them again, because when the head is off already and you not see the head, how you want to recognize the person? So now the kind killing where they kill in Nigeria, exactly the same thing when ISIS don't do in Syria, now him that they do in Nigeria. Not be only say then kill the person. Look at the thing what happened in Ebonyi State recently, on the 10th of this month. The way where they take chop people neck come out. Another one don't happen again now when they talk, then chop everybody head come after they kill them finish, and they say then get governor. That governor of Ebonyi State when be the Dave or David Omahi. Where are you? Where are your securities? I don't tell una once again, and I repeat once again. Una when be Nigerian citizens, make una do serious protest against people when they claim say una vote for them, or when una claim say that them be una leaders, like these governors of a thing. Now because of them make herdsmen dey everywhere, because if governors say no, there is no way when herdsmen will come inside your city or inside your town or inside your state. But due to say the governors, all of them, they are aware of the game. All of them, they play the game along with APC people, along with the Fulani people. That is why all these things, they happen in your state. All of them don't carry bags of Ghana must go. That is why you see they're not the Nyan. Like I said before, these herdsmen people, Fulani people, then go continue to they come. If una not change on our mindset, if una not change on our way of thinking, if una not change on our way of reasoning, these people then go continue to they do waiting that they do. If una not reject the Fulani people, if una not reject the APC people, if una not reject the PDP people, all these things will continue. The only way, once again, na Biafra. That is the only way. Even though say we get some useless people when come from Biafra land, like all these governors and the Ohaneze Ndigbo and their cohorts. Even though say we still get people when they not make sense, but they cannot stop Biafra. We still know say many of them they inside Biafra land there. When we say that them be the main saboteurs, what they call the sabo men. They cannot stop Biafra. They cannot stop it. The only way now to turn your back from that Mr. APC and Mr. PDP, because if 2023 these people continue again, Nigeria is doomed forever and ever. Fulani, then they waka, they enter everywhere freely with gun, with knife, with all sorts of weapon. Nobody they send a message. Now they go come talk. You go. The other one go come talk. You go. The other one, rock governor will come talk. They go. Fulani continue to they do waiting that they do. Sometimes they go come judge and say, now because say they roasted their cow and I made them. How you go kill human being because of a cow? How? Because we don't see that another guy now. Something will happen in Benue State. One man, one northern man, one Fulani guy. Every time when they kill finish, the man go come and come the yan say they roasted their cow. There's still 2,000 cows. There's still 300,000 cows. That is why Fulani people they kill. Every time the man they do the same thing. Now they don't catch the man. They don't know now, say, all the whole thing when the man they talk. Now, the leader of Fulani people in Benue State. Because they get things, we go come to that video later. A lot of things they happen in Nigeria when supposed not to happen. A lot of things they happen in that country. That is why the division is the ultimate goal changer. Biafra is the ultimate, the only ultimate goal changer. Now, for Biafra to come. It's going to be a very, very, very big problem for the whole 200 million Nigerian people, because all these northerners, they got their ultimate plan as well. They get the ultimate plan. So, that's so the matter when concern these herdsmen people and how we could change the issue or the problem in that country. The people, when we see that them be our problem, now the Fulani people, now the Northerners, all of them from A to Z, they know they count anybody out, all of them. Then they reason the same, then they think the same, and their way now one way. They know they change them. Now the same thing where they don't tell you before, now they tell you. See, so according to what in the news they tell us, so in those people when they America, they say now 2 Nigerian people. Now news they tell us now. One name now Afiz. Or like in case your brother name now Afiz, you know now say your brother they into problem. Adinera, Afiz, or like they Adinera and Blessing or Joe. 2 of them now they face a separate charge of wire fraud. According to what in the news they tell us, the indictment alleges that Adinere defrauded a home buyer of $40,000 intended for a real estate transaction. I don't know how you do it, but now what in the news they tell us with that. The indictment alleges that due to a computer intrusion and false invoicing scam, Ojo caused a media company in California to send payment totaling $89,140 to a bank account controlled by one of the defendants. In total, the victim sent $646,840 as a result of the fraud, using business email compromise, SIM, romance fraud scam, and retirement account scam, among others. The suspect duped numerous victims into losing more than $30 million. The Department of Justice, Northern District of Georgia, announced on Friday. So now, so the news, we will stop this news here. Then it goes on and on and on and on and on. The thing when they write, but now 2 people they don't name. See now them be the people when they among the people when do that big money when I don't call before. You understand? So yeah, you see, all this is sometimes government go look into it and go say no, we don't want Nigerian people again. I don't tell una. Una when be senators when they there they walk up and down because of $22.7 billion. Una no want solve the problem of Boko Haram. Una no they talk the problem of Boko Haram. Una they talk the problem of ISWAP, aka ISIS, what they call ISWAP. Una they talk the issue of Hesmin when they kill every now and then. Una go get problem. Una when they there when be senators, una go get big problem with these terrorist people when they Nigeria. Because they don't tell una say they don't even write una. Make una not forget say they don't write una say then they come in the House of Assembly. Then they come there, come meet una. They don't write una many times. Then they come that Aso Rock. Then go enter there as una don't want solve the problem. Sheikh Hussaini once again don't want see nothing when go stop war in that country. We don't already talk this thing before in our videos. Go check all our videos. You will see things. Nothing when we never tell Nigerian people. Nothing. Sheikh Hussaini, na former senator. He don't yan say there must be a war from the north. They say the war go start from the north. Now so the man talk. Una keep quiet. Una did that they talk about 22.7 billion. Make una did that they fight for 22.7 billion. Now the word when I get from this morning, now when the senators and the ministers and even the president himself, when we say, even say Hussaini talk and say Buhari aka Jubri, now him be the person when we say he get big problem, big connection with this thing when they happen in Nigeria. Everything there in the news now. Everything there. You go there, you see waiting them talk. Nigeria must to break up. Must. Nothing that we hold Nigeria not to break up. And now the thing what they pray for. Nothing. And it must to break up in the hand of this Jubri. Abakiara Mama Daura. Before that 2023 when Bola Tinubu the eye. And for Bola Tinubu, I don't tell you, you go get big problem with this Northerners. With the watch now, all of us they live. May God keep all of us alive to see what thing go happen to Mr. Bola Tinubu, aka Jagaban of Lagos State. the rogue, the man when carry 2 billion van fully loaded with trillions of dollars, and up to today, nothing. When they ask them, they not send a message, you, they're just quiet. Make we watch that 2023. We they live. All of us go live to see that 2023, how everything go unfold. I say before that time, Biafra don't come. One love, everybody. I'll see you next time. Funky D.